green mower update. Got a blade. It's got a muffler. Woo! Alright. That took a breaker bar to get off, but I don't think that's the original profile for the blade. I could be mistaken, but let's see, that would have been facing down. Yeah, it would have not worked out so well. So this guy, if I can keep it in frame, I should set up the tripod. That's better. Don't come off. That's fine. There's this plug for removing or draining the oil. It's a one of those. Yeah, let's see how this works. So, on its side, oil leaked from up top somewhere. I don't know why. I had it flipped over away from the carb, so it shouldn't have leaked from the crankcase there, but it's leaking out this side. So, I don't know. Either way, oil's draining. I'll get new oil installed, but that oil is black enough. It looks like diesel oil. I mean, it's dark. It desperately needed changing a couple seasons ago. But blade is on. We let it drain for a bit, then fresh oil and start it up, see how she runs. Alright, oil's at the full mark. Of course, I started up right on top of a area I tested a tiller in. Little dusty.